So let's talk about this question. How many different pairs of a and b positive integers are there such that a is less than equal to b, a is less than equal to b, and 1 plus a plus 1 plus b equal to 1 by 9. So the most easiest way to do this is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18 equal to 1 by 9, right? Dividing this figure into half and then distributing in them, right? So if this is the value, let's say both of them are allowed to be equal, let's say, then if a has to be less than equal to b, then a will have to be essentially less than 18, because the maximum value that a can take is 18, right? So all the values less than 18 such that 1 by a and 1 by b is 1 by 9. So all the values less than 18 are 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay. Now let's see what b corresponds to these. So if b is 18, now when this, if a has to be less than a, then that means the maximum value that a can take is 18, which also instantly means that b has to be greater than equal to 18, right? B has to be essentially greater than equal to 18. One more thing, from this we notice that if a goes beyond 10, that means a becomes 9, then 1 by a is 1 by 9. That means b is not defined. I'm sorry, b 1 by b is 0. That means b is not defined. This is not possible in any circumstance. Hence, a cannot take 9 or anything below that. So a is restricted in this 9 and 18 parenthesis. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, for 18 we have one value, so 1. For 17, even if I say that a is 17, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 17, 17 minus 9, 8 upon 9 into 17. This in any case is not an integer, so 17 cannot be the answer. 1 by 9, let's check for another value then. 17 is not the case, then 1 by 9 minus 1 by 16. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 9 into 16, again not an integer. Given that they are positive integers, this is not possible. Now 15, let's check for 15. 1 by b is equals to 1 by 9 minus 1 by 15. Let's see, 15 minus 9 is 6 by 9 into 15, 2 times, 3 times. Still this is 2 by 45, which makes b not an integer, so 15 is also not possible. Let's check 14. If we check 14, 14 minus 9 is 5 by 9 into 14, again not an integer. We can check for 13. 13 minus 9 is 4 by 9 into 13, again not an integer. Let's check for 12. 12 minus 9 is 3 and then it becomes an integer. So it becomes 36. Now that's a workable solution. So b becomes 36. We have got two more cases to check. To check 11, we check 11. It becomes 2 into 9 by 11. So again not an integer, so 11 cannot be the answer. We just lastly check 10. 9 minus 10 is 1 by 9 into 10, which gives me 90. Hence there are 3 pairs of values for which a and b are positive integers. A is less than equal to b, and 1 by a plus 1 by b is 1 by 9. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.